We're here at Jones Commercial Center. Today we have two Ram ProMasters already upfitted and ready for immediate delivery. We have the Ram 2500 159-inch wheelbase, and we also have a Ram 3500 159 extended wheelbase with an HVAC package and single drop-down ladder rack. We're going to go over all those details. With easy step up, once you're in, great visibility, lots of glass all the way around. And for 2021, my new favorite feature for 2021 is the new digital rear view mirror. Now you can see what's behind you as if you had real glass windows. Now let's look at the upfit in the back. We're going to enter through the back, and what's really nice about the van is the way the doors open up. When you open up, you come to your first position, both doors. Then also, the doors go all the way back for full loading to a platform, easy to get in and out of, and they stay right there for you. Stepping in, we have an HVAC package. Gives you a 3-stack bottle rack, shelving, dividers, tool bin, rubber mat floor. With the partition inside to keep everything protected, also there's available door for the partition so the driver can come straight on through, not have to go out into the environment to get to his tools and everything. Inside here we also have 13 feet of cargo space. Piping, tools, ladders can all stay internal when needed. And with the height, if you notice, there is lots of room, lots of comfort, very efficient for the tech to do his job. That wraps up our view and walk around the Ram ProMaster 3500. Come see us at jonesjunction.com. Come see me at the Jones Commercial Center. I'm Alan Lowson.